True Jamaican vibes. Yes, my people. You don't know me, I'm going on a tour in Santa Cruz, a night driving. So this is what Santa Cruz look like. Yeah, man, you don't know, say a 10 o'clock curfew. So this is what Santa Cruz look like on a Saturday night. So everybody a pack up to go home and now to them family. So close to 10 o'clock, you know, so the police they want to do them work, get people off the street. So we're just passing St. Elizabeth Technical High School. Yeah man, so a lot of persons when them come to Jamaica, them kind of scared to drive at night. Yeah man, them very scared because they know street lights. Not like overseas, I have a lot of street lights. But you know in Jamaica, you know, say every like 2 other light posts to get some street light. In some areas, if you go to the Kingston side or Moby or Ochi, You see the beauty, full of street light and thing, you know. So you can imagine in some areas. I'm in Santa Cruz right now, heading towards Longwood, and this is how it look like. Yeah man, they don't really dim them lights in Jamaica. A lot of persons don't really dim them lights. So you have to make sure you dim your light and indicate them so yeah, them on bright. So we're in the Lovely Point area.